Hello from Breviksbadet Nudist beach. Yes, this is the Nudist beach located in the very nice beach park that's called altogether Breviksbadet, and there is a sign that will take you all the way to the Nudist beach that looks like this. This is the entry of the beach, and it is being maintained by Österåker municipality. And yes, it is a nice little sandy beach that is completely empty on this 14th of July 2024. Currently it is 4:15 p.m. and I'm exploring this beach for the second time actually. I was here also last year, and you can see also that episode on my channel as well, Beach Adventures with Chris. And yes, I'm showing you different beaches around Stockholm, Sweden, and in the world as well on my channel that's called Beach Adventures with Chris. So this Nudist beach, as I mentioned, has a quite good sandy portion and even also a rocky part as well, like you can see. So if you are enthusiast for nudist beaches, you should visit this one as well. Located in Österåker municipality, just 10 minutes away by car from Åkersberga, or if you come by public transport, it's 10 minutes bus ride plus 10 minutes walk approximately. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and that means that now it is time to take a swim at Breviksbadet Nudist beach. It really gives to this beach like this beach over here, and it is out on the Baltic Sea, of course, obviously. And today we have, in the air right now it's currently 20 degrees Celsius, and in the sea it is 15 degrees Celsius. And I already took a swim at the public part of the beach that's just 150 meters in that direction, but now I'm taking a swim also in the Nudist beach as well. So yes, let's then embark to the swim here in the Baltic Sea, despite being a bit cold right now. And yes, here at the entrance there are a lot of rocks, so it is not sandy at the beginning. So let's check it out how it is. If I remember correctly, it is sandy when you go in further in a bit. And here we have basically open sea, and we might get some sunshine even now across the clouds over there. So yes, right now I am here walking inside to find a better ground here, because it's a bit mix of rocks and sand. And now we have also the sun back, which is amazing indeed. Alright, so Breviksbadet, yes, I'm finally now on the sandy part. And yeah, let's then take a swim at Breviksbadet Nudist beach in Österåker, Stockholm. Let's go! Woohoo! I couldn't see anything when I opened my eyes, because this is a bit muddy here, so it's a bit, your legs a bit go inside of the mud. So it is still very nice for a swim. So take a look at the beach, how it looks like, the whole surroundings. there was even some smaller port over there as well. So yep, then that's a wrap from Breviksbadet Nudist Beach and my swim over here on this 14th of July 2024. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more beach content on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.